Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. By the way, if you have questions, that is my phone number there. I know a lot of people want to go onto YouTube and ask me a lot of questions. I got almost 3,000 videos, so I can't really do that a lot. So just call us. Now, if you're looking for pricing, I'll put a link of this product at the bottom of this YouTube video. So what do we have today? So come on over here, and Joel's going to show you what we got here. This is the Revolver X4s by the Bak Industries company. This is a rolling hardcover. So it's basically using marine grade vinyl on top of metal. One thing I like about this, before I go into how it works, I want you to take a look on how flush this is. I mean, this is probably the lowest profile cover that you can purchase. Very, very clean. I mean, take a look at this tailgate here and how tight that is. That is one super tight fit. I think this looks great. Now we go into looks to see how it works. Let's come over here. Now how this operates, you have a left and right release mechanism here. You can see here, you can see how it locks here. Now if you look real closely, there's a big fat seal right here. Now we made this where that tailgate closes, it condenses that. Why is that good? Well, it's a little harder to close the tailgate, but it does a great job of keeping the water out. Now, this is not a submarine, so you're not going to get 100% waterproof. You're not getting that with any cover. By the way, as I'm rolling this, on the newer X4S model, instead of being silver, this is black, and they put these little rubber things here. Why? Because this way, if it gets a little hot, it doesn't hurt your hands. Now, what I like about this is it goes all the way up here. I'll go ahead and I'll show you how to lock it in place. If you notice, it's not covering the rear window. So this locks in place here. You can still see at the back here. So if you put your ATV back here, or you're putting some big things out, and you want to still see past your cover, on this model you can. Now, if you look inside the bed here, the cargo management system is still here. That means we lowered it. A lot of times the covers use that. This one doesn't. It actually lowers this. One of the few that lower it. It is a little bit more work to do that, just to let you know, but it is more practical. Also, if you look inside here, we do not have any space lost at all. It's not a canister there that would take up any space in the bed. You got a 5-foot bed here for this Toyota Tacoma. You don't have a big bed, so you really don't want to give up a lot of space. So you're not really giving up any space up here. You're not giving up any space down here. So that is a great setup. Now, I always tell you the pros and cons of everything we sell here. Now, the pro on this is all the things I just discussed. The con is this cover only has an opening in a closed mode. There's nothing in between, so it's either fully open or fully closed. So keep that in mind. Where on folding covers, you can have them partially closed or partially open depending on your needs. So this one, that would be the only problem I would say. But it's super easy to use. This comes out, this does just hang down here, and this just rolls along here. And then we get down to the end. If you notice, I put my hand and I put them right here on the sides. Now you can push in the middle. You can do one at a side at a time. I always recommend to push the sides down now, because this thing has a big fat seal here. When I go close this tailgate, I put a little extra in it, but man, look, I don't know if you can tell, that is tight. And again, tight is great because it's going to keep the water out. It's also going to keep bad people from trying to break in there. A lot of people are like, oh, you can pull the string. You can't pull no string here. There's absolutely no way on this planet you can get into this model. I know in some other, the Chinese knockoffs, they had some problems with that, but not with this one. Now, this cover here does come with a nice 5-year manufacturer warranty. When they give you that long of a warranty, they're standing behind their product. There's a promotion going on right now through Truck Hero, who owns Bak Industries. If we have it professionally installed by an authorized dealer, that's us, we double the warranty. Actually, technically, they do it. We just install it and we do the paperwork for you. So now you just have a 5-year warranty. Hey, guess what? You got a 10-year warranty. Very, very good warranty. Again, if you live out of state and you say, you know what, Chris, I want to get this, how do I get it? Just give us a call, or you can go right to the link on the bottom of this video and it'll take you right to the website where you can order this stuff. Again, if you like what you see, hit the like button. We appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date on all this stuff. We're always doing new things. Now, as you know, we do a lot of covers, but we do everything else. Wheels, tires, suspensions, exhaust system, cold air intakes. I mean, you go to our YouTube channel, you're going to say, wow, they do a lot of stuff. And we do. So subscribe to the channel. We always have a new video every single day. This way, we always have new content for you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, doing a review of the Bak Industries Revolver X4s, the newest model on a new 23 Toyota Tacoma. Thank you so much.